Even then, no instant fix with Hansi Flick in charge. They lost twice more last season, couldn't come quickly enough for Schalke. Player who can see a pass, and Paciencia immediately seeks to make his mark on the new season in Schalke blue. Played over the top in the direction of Gnabry, and Fairman couldn't get to that. Serge Gnabry strikes and picks up early in 2021 exactly where he left off. What a hit it was. Drives on, and Fairman gets to him first time, but Lewandowski was favourite to turn it in. I was going to say he's bound to score, because he normally does, as you know. See again, and again he was Lucas Hernandez. Strength in the challenge was there for all to see, and over vigorous from Kabak on Sane. Schalke now hoping to make his mark at Everton. Kimmich got there, and Saw taken by Ut. Sula, bit fortunate. Stromboli couldn't get to that one either. Laid off by Muller. Goretzka slides it home. 20 minutes into the new season, and it's very much like the old season. And Leon Goretzka, another who's adding more and more goals to his game as a Boateng onto his right foot. Bit of a miscue in the end by Lewandowski. So quick to release Sane, and that's going to be an additional threat this campaign once he does get into top gear. By Goretzka, what a take that is by Gnabry. Kimmich, Fairman got a piece of it, and he may have been helped. Lewandowski goes again. As Lewandowski turns and goes over, and it's a penalty, and it could be 3 inside 30 minutes tonight. Kabak it was who brought the great man down. In the new campaign, and now Robert Lewandowski follows suit. So Bentaleb has now lost. Going on and on, Leroy Sane. Oh, he did brilliantly. And Gnabry can only turn to Leroy Sane and thank him. All down to Leroy Sane. And the second half starts in even more troubling fashion than the first for Schalke. Now it's 4-0, and Gnabry's done it. Forwards picked tonight, but it's the defence which has let them down. Sula's in again. Tonight, Leroy Sane, and again he sets somebody else up. He sets up Gnabry for a hat-trick. A hat-trick underpinned tonight by Leroy Sane on his Bayern Munich debut. It's 5-0. Kabak kept him out first time, and Fairman cannot keep it out now from Thomas Muller. Ball by Kimmich, and now is it Leroy Sané's moment against his former club? Oh yes it is, Leroy Sané on his Bayern Munich debut, and how he has deserved that tonight. It's quite a frightening prospect really.